Hello. Welcome to our store. How can I help you today?
Hi, I am looking for a new bag.
Great. Do you have any specific brand or style in mind?
I love branded bags. Can you show me some options?
Absolutely. We have many popular brands here. Would you like a handbag, a shoulder bag, or maybe a backpack?
I think a handbag would be nice.
Sure. We have handbags from different brands like Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton. Which one would you like to see?
I'd love to see the Louis Vuitton ones.
Great choice. Louis Vuitton bags are very stylish and durable. Here are a few options.
Wow, these bags look amazing. What is the price range?
Louis Vuitton bags start around $1,500 and go up from there, depending on the size and model.
That's a bit expensive, but I really like them.
Yes, they are a bit pricey, but they are high quality and last a long time.
Do you have any bags that are a bit more affordable?
Certainly. We have some bags from Coach and Michael Kors. They're high quality but more affordable.
Oh, I like Coach bags too. Can I see them?
Of course. Here are some Coach bags. They're very stylish and have a great reputation.
These are nice. How much are they?
Coach bags usually start around $300, depending on the model.
That's much more within my budget.
Wonderful. Would you like to try one on and see how it looks?
Yes, that sounds good.
Here, try this one. It's a classic Coach design and a popular choice.
I like it. It feels comfortable and looks nice.
It suits you very well. Would you like to go with this one?
I think so. Let me check the color options first.
Sure. This model comes in black, brown, and beige. Which color do you prefer?
I think black would be the best choice for me.
Good choice. Black goes well with everything.
Yes, that's what I thought too.
Would you like to add any matching accessories, like a wallet or keychain?
I think I just need the bag for now.
No problem. I'll prepare this bag for you at the counter.
Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure. Let me know if you have any questions about the bag or its care. By the way, this Coach bag also has a matching wallet if you're interested.
Oh, really? How much is the wallet?
The matching wallet is $100. It's very compact and fits well inside the bag.
That's tempting. I might consider it.
Take your time. Accessories like wallets are popular add-ons, and they complete the look.
True, I might like that. But I'm also considering other brands.
Absolutely. We also have some options from Kate Spade. Their designs are very elegant.
I like Kate Spade too. Could you show me a few?
Here are some Kate Spade handbags. They're light and have a modern design.
These are lovely. How do they compare to Coach?
Great question. Kate Spade is known for colorful, youthful designs, while Coach has a classic style.
Both are nice in their own way.
Yes, it depends on what style you prefer. Kate Spade bags are a bit lighter, which some customers love.
I see. I do like light bags, especially for daily use.
Then a Kate Spade bag could be perfect for you. They're great for a casual, everyday look.
How much are the Kate Spade bags?
These start around $200, so they're a little less than Coach bags.
That's good to know. Can I try this one on too?
Certainly. Here you go. This one is a popular design with the polka dot lining.
Oh, it's cute. I like how it looks.
It looks fantastic on you. And it's very versatile.
Do you think this bag would go well with different outfits?
Absolutely. Kate Spade bags are designed to be adaptable. They work well with many outfits.
That's important to me. I like bags that I can use anytime.
I completely understand. A versatile bag is always a great investment.
Is there a warranty on these bags?
Yes, we provide a 1-year warranty for all our branded bags.
That's great to hear. And what about returns?
You can return or exchange it within 30 days if it's unused and in perfect condition.
That sounds fair. I think I'm almost ready to decide.
Take all the time you need. It's important to choose a bag you love.
I'm deciding between this Kate Spade bag and the Coach one.
Both are excellent choices. Is there anything specific you're unsure about?
I just want to make sure I'll be happy with it in the long term.
Absolutely. If you want a classic look, I'd say go with Coach. If you prefer a more playful style, then Kate Spade is great.
That's helpful, thank you. What's the material of each bag?
The Coach bag is leather, while the Kate Spade bag is a high-quality synthetic material.
Leather sounds more durable, right?
Yes, leather is very durable and lasts for years with proper care.
I might lean toward leather then.
A good choice. Leather bags develop a nice patina over time, adding character.
That sounds nice. I think the Coach bag might be it for me.
Excellent. Would you like to look at any other accessories?
Actually, could you show me that wallet again?
Certainly. Here's the wallet that matches your Coach bag.
It's really nice. I like how compact it is.
It fits neatly inside and has space for cards and cash.
I think I'll get the wallet too.
Perfect. I'll add it to your items.
Do you have any tips for caring for leather?
Absolutely. I'd recommend a leather conditioner every few months.
Good to know. I'll keep that in mind.
You'll also want to avoid exposing it to too much sunlight.
I'll make sure to do that. Thanks for the advice.
My pleasure. It will keep your bag looking great for a long time.
I'm really excited to start using it.
You're going to love it. It's such a stylish choice.
Thanks again for all your help.
Anytime. Let's go to the checkout counter.
Alright, sounds good.
Would you like a gift box for the wallet?
Yes, that would be nice.
Perfect. I'll pack it in a gift box.
Thank you. This has been a great shopping experience.
We're so glad to hear that. Enjoy your new bag.
I will, thanks.